Hi guys, so we're now back on the conversion, and this time we are going to do the conversion for measures, in measures for mass. Okay, but first let's define what mass is. When we say mass, it is the amount of matter in an object. We determine how heavy or how light an object is. Okay, but our focus will be about conversion. So let's get started. In the metric system, gram is the basic unit of measure for mass. In the first video, the basic unit of measure for length is meter. So dito naman, it's gram. So since it's metric to metric conversion, we will be using the metric converter. And we'll have it. Yan. So we have kg for kilogram, hg for hectogram, dag for decagram, g for gram, dg for decigram, cg for centigram, and mg for milligram. So, yung m sa measures for length sa metric converter ay napalitan ng g kasi nga gram na tayo. But ang difference ito sa metric converter sa length ay hindi yun nasa dulong kaliwa yung pinakamalaki. Aside from kilogram, may mas malaki pa sa kanyang unit. Okay? And that's what we call or we use the term or we use the unit of measure tons. So we have a metric ton spelled as T-O-N-N-E. And it is equivalent to 1,000 kilograms. So saan normally ginagamit yan? Kung makikita niyo yung mga container vans, yung mga 10-wheeler trucks, di ba sa likod nun may malalaking container na kinikarry sila? So yun, minimeasure yun in terms of tons kasi sobrang bigat na nun. And you will also be observing this being the tawag ito, yung nakalagay sa mga sa bridge, okay? Yung maximum weight na kaya niya i-carry in terms of metric tons then. Okay? Kaya hindi kilogram ang pinaka malaking unit. So let's proceed to the conversion. So the first one, we have to convert 5,000 grams into decagram. So hanapin natin yung gram sa converter and then the required unit decagram. So it's one jump to the left, then the decimal point in 5,000 will be moved one jump to one place to the left. And doing that, we omitted the zero there and we are left with 500. Okay? The next one is 2.45 hectograms. So 2.45 hectograms naman, so hecto to deci. Okay, so ilan jumps kaya yan? 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps to the right. So ibig sabihin, si decimal point, i-move ng 3 places sa right. 1, 2, 3. This space is for 0. We then have 2,450 decigrams. There you go. And then the third one is we need to convert 320,000 decagrams to kilograms and metric tons. So isa-isa lang. Decagram to kilogram. So decagram is here and si kilogram nasa left niya. So we need to determine the number of jumps. 1, 2. 2 to the left. So here, 1, 2. Omit the 2 zeros. May iwan ay 3,200. And this 3,200 kilograms needs to be converted into metric tons. So sabi kanina, a metric ton is equivalent to 1,000 kilograms. So this 3,200 will be divided by 1,000 kasi there are 1,000 kilograms in a metric ton. So in 3,200, we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. And there you get 3.2 metric tons. So that's it for the metric to metric conversion. This time we proceed to English to English. So again, in converting English to English units, we use the conversion factor. So dadagdag lang na madadagdagan ang ating listahan, ang formula card natin. So again, allowed kayong gumamit nun. So let's have it. So in English to English conversion for mass, we have 16 ounces in a pound and 2,000 pounds in an English ton. So tons, we have that in both metric and English. Pero para hindi tayo malito, si metric kasi, it's T-O-N-N-E. Si English, it's T-O-N lang. Now, if you are asking, of the two, which is bigger? I will answer that later sa metric to English. Okay, so we'll now have the conversion. Okay, so we have 80 ounces to be converted into pounds. So 80 ounces, we write 80 converted into pounds. So conversion factors natin, yun ay yung una. Following the diagonal format again, kailangan ma-cancel out si ounces. So we write 16 ounces here and then 1 pound sa taas. So, ka-cancel na natin yung unit of measure, ounces. And you divide 80 by 60. 80 divided by 60, 16 rather is 5. Okay? So then we have 5 pounds. Okay. Next, we have in number 2, we have to convert 5.6 pounds into ounces. 5.6 pounds into ounces. So, we have baliktarin lang natin to, 1 pound sa baba and 16 ounces naman sa taas. So, cancel na natin yung unit of measure, pounds. And then, multiply natin yung 5.6 by 16, calculator, out, 5.6 multiplied by 16. And there you have 89.6 ounces. So, we write here 89.6 ounces. Okay? So, number 3 naman tayo. Sa number 3, we have to convert 2.3 English tons to pounds. So, we then use the second naman. There are 2,000 pounds in an English ton. So, cancel dapat yung ton sa ba yung 1 ton and then 2,000 pounds sa taas. We canceled out the unit of measure tons and we multiply 2.3 by 2,000. So, that will not require us to use calculator kasi pwede na i-mental yan. 2.3 times 2,000, that's 4,600 pounds. Okay, so we write here 4,600. So that's it for the English to English conversion. Okay. So this time naman, metric to English and vice versa. So in converting metric to English and vice versa, we still use conversion factors. Dagdag ulit. So we have 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds and 1 metric ton equals 1.1 English tons. So the second conversion factor answers the question, which of the two is bigger? So this already shows na mas malaki ang metric ton kaysa sa English tons. Okay, so mag-convert na tayo. So nandyan ulit ang copy natin ng conversion factors and we have the given. So we need to convert 48 kilograms into pounds. Our multiplier will be 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. So, nandito yung 1 kilogram sa baba and then 2.2 pounds sa taas. Cancel natin yung kilograms and then multiply natin yung 48 by 2.2. Calculator ulit. 48 multiplied by 2.2. We have 105.6 pounds. So, we write that one here. Okay. We proceed to number 2. Number 2 naman, we have to convert 121 pounds into kilograms. So, parehas pa rin ang conversion factor, pero nasa baba na si 2.2 pounds. Sa taas ang 1 kilogram. So, cancel natin yung unit of measure, pounds, and this time we do division. So, 121 divided by 2.2. And with that, we get 55 kilograms. We write 55 here. And 55 kilograms needs to be converted to decigram. Ilang jumps? Hecto, deca, gram, and deci. So 4 jumps to the right. That means 4 more zeros beside 55. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you get 550,000. Okay? Next, we have number 3. So in number 3, we have to convert 3.6 metric tons to pounds. So wala tayong direct conversion ng tons to pounds. So ang gagawin natin is we plan. Kailangan natin convert muna si metric tons into kilograms. Okay. So we have 1,000 here. And then, kailangan din natin ng another multiplier na pounds, kilograms to pounds. So we have 1 kilogram sa baba, 2.2 pounds sa taas. Yan. Then close it. So after you have written all the conversion factors to be used, we canceled out tons, kilograms. And we multiply all the numerators. We have 3.6 and 1,000 and 2.2. So 3.6 times 1,000 is already 3,600. Multiplied by 2.2, that gives us 7,920 pounds. Okay. So susulat natin yan dito. And there you have the conversion for the metric to English and vice versa. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from this, and this will be an additional knowledge in your conversion concepts. Okay, so I hope that you learned, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.